Hey there, aspiring electric car entrepreneurs. Are you ready to ignite your journey with Electric Drive, Igniting Car Entrepreneurship?
Panel 1 Problem: Feeling lost in the world of electric car startups?
Tired of spinning your wheels with no direction? We've got your back.
Panel 2 Solution: Electric Drive, to the rescue.
Introducing Electric Drive, Igniting Car Entrepreneurship, the ultimate guide to launching your own electric car company.
Panel 3 Benefit: A comprehensive roadmap for success.
With our ebook, you'll get a step-by-step roadmap that covers everything from concept to creation, financing strategies, branding, marketing, and more.
Panel 4 Benefit: Insider knowledge and industry insights.
We've packed it with insider knowledge and industry insights that will give you a competitive edge.
Panel 5 Benefit: Unleash your creativity with customization.
And the best part, with PLR, private label rights, you can customize and rebrand the ebook as your own. You're the hero of your electric car venture.
So, put on your entrepreneur cape and get ready to spark your success in the electric car industry.
Grab your copy of Electric Drive, Igniting Car Entrepreneurship, and let's electrify the future together.
Don't miss out on this electrifying opportunity. Get your copy today and get ready to ignite your car entrepreneurship journey.
Remember, with Electric Drive, you'll be driving towards success in no time. Buckle up and enjoy the ride.